What's up, guys? You got the Q-Cat. We have a recall video. This is the PM971 and it's the brake pedal. It's the it's brake switch. So we're gonna knock this out real quick to show you guys what's involved without totally wrecking the car. And it's more of a pain in the ass to get to than anything else. Alright, so let's just start easy. Take out the two 10mm bolts that are behind here. Take that out. Open the hood. There's this little T20 Torx bit. This comes out. Okay, take that out. This you want to take out is the fuse panel cover. And then figure out how to get this crap out without breaking it. And of course we break it. There's just no easy way to get in here. There it is. Okay. So we got that. That's our switch. And then it is the one back here on top. Rotate counterclockwise or clockwise, whichever way the bitch will come out.
I think this tire is worth plugging.
How bad is it?
Pretty fucking bad on the outside edge.
Oh, it's all right.
Fucking warranty shit.
Well, then fucking write it up and order a tire.
Yeah,
There it is. Okay. These fucking things are a pain in the ass to unplug. Come on. There you go. There it is. That's it. It's done. Ow. Oh, fuck, that hurts. Okay. And then plug this back in here. Plug this back in here. Hopefully this holds long enough to stay in. And okay. Take your Torx bit. And there's the Torx bit back in. This back in there. That's not right. Oh, shit, sorry. It's not right. Okay. And that's it. It's the PM971 recall. Really simple. You had the Q-Cat.